Hello everyone. Good evening. Good evening everyone. Good evening. Good evening everyone. Good evening. Let's join all the people. Let's join all the people. Good evening. Good evening everyone. Good evening. Good evening. Yeah. So yeah, let's start this. Let's start the today's session. So welcome to EPT rank improvement course algorithm. Welcome to EPT RIC course of algorithm. Yeah, so let me start this. I don't know how many people are attended yesterday's class. I don't know how many people are attended yesterday's class. Right, those people who attended the yesterday's class, can you ping me in the right in the comment section? Can you ping me in the comment section? Can you ping me yesterday? How many people are attended EPT RIC course for algorithm? Hi Karthik. Hi. Yeah, every subject we are going to solve approximately. Every subject we are going to solve approximately. Let me write here. I will write here. Yeah, I'm writing here. See this. Every subject we are going to solve. Each subject in the RIC course. In the RIC course, every subject we are going to solve 200 to 300 important questions we are going to solve. Each subject. Only important questions, good questions we are going to solve. Most probably, in my opinion, they are more than enough. Right? In the RIC course, each subject 200 to 300 important questions we are going to solve. Important questions we are going to solve. Every subject, some small subjects, only 200 we will solve. Some big subjects we are going to solve 300. These 300 questions contain, right? Most of the questions may be PYQs, some more nice questions from our side, whichever is really needed. If you study this RIC course completely without having small doubt, if you can study this RIC course, trust me, you are going to get 70 marks. Minimum, you are going to get 70 marks. If you study all these things, right, you are going to get minimum 70 marks. Minimum 70, right? So you can see the problems. See this one, you can see this problem. Yeah, yesterday whatever we saw, let's go here. Yeah, yesterday we stopped here. See this. This is the problem which we solved yesterday. I don't know how many people are attended yesterday's class. Yeah, problem number 250. Problem number 250. We solved the problem number 250. The answer for this one is, I think we are already done. Already we done this, right? The answer for this problem, for the question number 250, answer is going to be 8. C is the answer. Yesterday we already done. If anyone not done yesterday, please go and check once. 251, question number 251, answer I think yesterday we done. I think D is the answer. Right? Question number 251, answer D, yesterday we discussed already. We already discussed yesterday. Now, question number 252 also we discussed. Right? Option A is the answer. Clearly, yesterday I explained. Yesterday. I explained yesterday clearly question number 252. Every subject 200 to 300 questions we are going to explain. Question number 226. Question number 226. Yeah, this is the today's class. Today's class is starting now. Today's class is starting now. Today's class is starting now. Yeah, can you see this? Can you see this? What is the answer for this? Question number 226. Right, what will be the answer for this? Can you check properly? Everyone try properly. If you do this, trust me, you are going to get very nice rank. For each subject we are going to do this. Each subject. We don't keep any unnecessary question. The question which is required to get exam, those only we will keep. For every subject which is really needed for GATE examination point of view, those only we will keep. 200 to 300 quality questions we are going to solve. Consider the following C program fragment in which I, J and N are integer variables. Consider the following C program fragment in which I, J and N are integer variable. So this is the program. This is the program. Just I think only one for loop. Only one for loop. And see this one. There is a semicolon also. Means this for loop is keep on run until condition fail. Semicolon at the end in the for loop means semicolon at the end in the for loop means this loop is keep on running until condition fail. Until condition fail. Now he's asking, right, at the right, let the val of j is equal to denote the value stored in the variable j after termination of the for loop. Which one of the following is true? Means you want to say that val of j find out. That indicates value stored in the variable j after the termination of this loop. Means simply this problem is saying that at the end of this particular loop, what is the j value? This question is saying that at the end of this for loop, what is the j value? What is the j value at the end of this particular one? Those people who are watching, please let me know what is the answer for this. GATE exam questions are like this only. They are tricky. GATE exam questions are like this only. They are tricky. They are tricky, I am saying to you. Approximately, we are going to solve, right, minimum 200 to 300 questions we are going to solve. So what is the answer for this? Please let me know. What is value of j at the end of this for loop? Value of j at the end of this for loop is what? Yeah, those people who are doing, please let me know. Yeah, I think Karthik is asking, does RIC there in the YouTube? Yeah, few lectures, right? Karthik, few lectures will be there in the YouTube. Few lectures, right? Only for promotional purpose, we will do few lectures in the YouTube. Right. So let's go ahead. What is the value of j at the end of? What is the value of j at the end of this for loop? What is the value of j at the end of this for loop? I am trying now. Can you see everyone? I am trying now. Can you see everyone? Value of j is asking. Right. See this one. This is initialization. In the for loop, it is the initialization. It is a condition checking. It is the incrementation. For loop contain three parts. Right? Initialization, condition checking, incrementation. Initially, I value n, j value 0. I value n, j value 0. Right? I is n greater than 0, condition true. Then incrementation. What is the answer? I is equal to I by 2, j is equal to j plus I. So let's see this one. I is equal to initially n, j is equal to initially 0. Right? So first time condition true. Then next time what happened is I value becomes a half n by 2. J value becomes j is equal to j plus I. J is equal to j plus I. Right? So I think j plus I. So I think j maybe something like n by 2. J value 0 plus n by 2. I is equal to I by 2, j, right? J is equal to j plus I. J value 0 plus n by 2, n by 2. Next one, I is equal to n by 2 square. J is equal to j plus I. So n by 2 plus n by 2 square. Now I is equal to n by 2 cube, because I is always half. J become n by 2 plus n by 2 square plus n by 2 cube. I think if you observe clearly, this story, right? This loop is keep on going. This loop also keep on going. Now, lastly, J story, if you observe, n by 2 plus n by 2 square plus n by 2 cube plus n by 2 power 4 plus and so on, n by 2 power log n, because if you divide always by 2 by 2 by 2 by 2, right, log n times you have to divide. Now finally if you see the j value, I think n common remaining, if you see 1 by 2 whole power 1, 1 by 2 whole square, 1 by 2 whole power 3, and so on and so on, 1 by 2 whole power log n, these two. So I think if you observe clearly, it is the GP series R value less than 1. It is the GP series R value less than 1. Formula is you know very well, right? GP series R value less than 1. A into means 1 by 2 into A into 1 by 2 R power, right? So I think because of it's right less than 1, formula is this one, A into 1 minus R power n. N is log n base 2 by 1 minus r, 1 minus 1 by 2, right? If you see this one, it became n into 1 by 2, 1 by 2 both cancel, so n into it became 1 minus 0. It's finally order of n. The answer for this problem is order of n. The answer for this problem is order of n. Val of j is equal to theta of root n. Val of j is equal to theta of n log n. Value of j is equal to theta of log n. Value of j is equal to theta of n. D is the answer. D is the answer. Let me know if anyone having any issue. Let me know if anyone having any issue. He is asking what is the value of j at the end. Initially, I value n, j value 0. Every time I will decrement by 2, that will be added to j. So if you observe clearly, I is equal to n, j value 0. I is equal to n by 2, j is equal to n by 2. I is equal to n by 2 square, j is equal to a previous j value plus I. I is equal to n by 3, previous j value plus I. So finally, right, j goes to one loop like this. I think it is almost like GP series, n common. If you solve this GP series where R value, see this one, GP series formula A into 1 minus R power n by 1 minus R. The GP series formula, if R value less than 1, if R value less than 1, this is the formula. If R value more than 1, ulta will happen. If R value is more than 1, then A into, right, R power n minus 1 by, right, right, R power n minus 1 by R minus 1. So careful. A into R power n minus 1 by R minus 1. If it is less than 1, ulta. Means you want to say negatives cannot come. Negatives cannot come. Negatives cannot come. Suppose if R value less than 1, if you do R power n minus 1, then negatives will come. If R value is greater than 1, this is the formula. A into R power n minus 1 by R minus 1. R value less than 1, this is the formula. GP series is the formula. You solve this, you will get the answer as theta of n. You will get the answer as theta of n. Yeah, mostly, yeah, fine. So is there anyone who have doubt in this? This is a problem number 226. It is a problem number 226, right? Like that, every subject 300 questions are there. Every subject 300 questions. See, yesterday we done some problems. All are quality questions. One waste question also not there. All are quality questions. If you solve them, most probably you will get the full marks. Can you go to problem number 227? Can you go to problem number 227? Can you go ahead? Problem number 227. Yeah, can you solve this problem? Problem number 227. Everyone, whoever watching, please solve this. Problem number 227. What is the worst case time complexity to merge two sorted parts of array n by 2 elements each into single sorted part of array without using extra array? What is the worst case time complexity to merge two sorted parts of array n by 2 elements each into single sorted array of without using extra memory? Can anyone say what is the answer for this? It's one of the nice problem. You cannot use extra space. You know very well, whenever merge algorithm is going on, you will take one more extra array. Whenever merge algorithm is going on, you will take one more extra array. He is saying without taking extra array. Without taking extra array, what is the answer of this problem? Can anyone give the answer? Without taking extra array. What is the worst case time complexity to merge two sorted parts of array n by 2 elements each into single sorted array, right? Without using extra memory. I think everyone knows. Everyone knows what is the answer for this. Let me check once. Roughly, I am explaining. Can you see this? Roughly, I am explaining. This is. See this. Two halves. First element, second element, third element, fourth, some elements. First element, second element, third element, fourth element. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let me take some values here. We covered this one already in the classroom. 10, 20, 30, 40. 11, 21, 31, 41. Remember, if you want to apply merge algorithm, it should be sorted. It should also be sorted. If you want to apply merge algorithm, it should be sorted. Here how many people? N by 2 people. Here how many people? N by 2 people. Left n by 2 people, right n by 2 people. Both the side n by 2 people, both are already sorted. See how the merge algorithm working. First element of these compare. Both the first elements compare. When you compare both the first element, whoever smaller, take that person, keep in another array. Whoever smaller, that person is the winner. Keep that person in the resultant array. One more array. That is a normal merge algorithm. But he is saying that you cannot take one more extra array. You cannot take one more extra array, he is saying. Then how will you manage? Nothing there. See this one, nothing. It is a first, right? This one compare. This one compare. Whoever is the minimum, right? Whoever is the minimum, keep in the first place. You cannot take extra array, keep there only. So whoever minimum, right? Keep in the first place. Now go to the next one. Compare, see this one. Compare. Again, first one, compare. Whoever minimum, see this one. Whoever minimum, keep in the second place. So 11 will come here, 20 will goes to here. 20 will goes to here, right? In the again same way, right? I think two elements are already sorted. Now first element here, both compare. First element here, both compare. 30, 20. 20 is better. So you will come to 20 here. You will go to 30 here. Now observe here. So this 30 came, it disturbed this particular array. It disturbed the, right, already sorted part. When you are trying to do merging within the same, right, definitely already sorted people will disturb. Whenever you are trying to merge within the same array, right, already sorted people are going to disturb. Order will be spoiled. So what you have to do is, after every swap, you have to keep the new person in the correct place. Whenever you swapped it, right, So here all people are correct. Here all people are correct. So first part don't have any problem. But second part, you are swapping, this person may create trouble. So whoever is the first person here, every time you have to compare with all the people. So each element of this, each element of the first half, second half to keep in the correct place. Every element of first one, second one will take n by 2, worst case. Second element, it will take n by 2, worst case. Third element, it will take n by 2, worst case. Every time worst case n, like that n by 2 times. Every time is n by 2. So n by 2 times n by 2, n by 2 into n by 2, which is going to be n by 2 whole square, which is going to be order of n square. So answer is B is the answer. Answer is B is the answer. Some people are saying C is the answer. How C, man? How we are? Normal merging with, right, by taking extra itself n. Normal merging by taking extra array itself is n. It should be more than n. Answer I can say it is a more than n. See, answer it cannot be. Answer should be more than n. With extra array, answer is n. Without extra array, answer should be more than n. So n cannot be, log n cannot be. Answer is either n square or n cube. Answer is n square. Answer is n square, because for each element, right, you have to sort the second half. Right, whenever you are swapping, right, so first person don't have any problem because first half is getting the better people. So you are sending the not better person to the second half. Second half may disturb. Every time, in the worst case, every time it may disturb. In the worst case, every time it may disturb. Every time disturbance, to make it all right, n by 2 times. Right? Every time to disturb one, to make it all right, n by 2 times. N by 2 times n by 2, which is going to be n by 2 whole square, which is going to be order of n square. So the answer for this problem is, right, theta of n square. I hope everyone got it. So please let me know what is the answer for this problem. So answer for this problem is going to be second option. I hope everyone is fine. Can you go to this problem? Question number 225. Question number 225. Question number 225. Try. What is the answer for this? In the EPT RIC course, for every subject, 200 to 300 quality questions which we are going to solve. Every subject, right? 200 to 300 quality questions. If you solve them, mostly they are enough. Consider the following graph. One graph is given. They are asking number of MSTs, how many for this graph? For this graph, number of MSTs, how many? Can you try this? And one more thing is almost flat, right? Almost flat. 60% discount going on. Flat 60% discount is going on. If those people who are serious, I suggest everyone, you can buy EPT RIC course. Flat 60% discount is going on, right? It is really useful in the GATE examination point of view. If you are serious, it is going to be really useful to you. You can utilize it. Consider the following graph. Some graph is given. Number of MSTs, how many? Can you try? How many MSTs? For this graph, how many MSTs? Try for this. How many MSTs for this graph? Everyone, whoever watching, please find out how many MSTs. Totally 6 vertices. You need 5 edges. Best people 5. 5 best people you need. You need 5 best people. You need 5 best people. I'm saying randomly some problems. Randomly I'm saying some problems. 225 problem number. This is problem number 225. Consider the following graph. Some graph is given. How many MSTs? Is there anyone who can give answer? Abhi, can you say what is the answer for this? Everyone, can you try this? What is the answer of this problem? How many MSTs for this graph? Totally 6 vertices. Totally 6 vertices. 5 edges needed. And best 5 people. Best 5 people. Best 5 people. Yeah, let me try this. Let me try. I am trying this. See this one. I am trying. See everyone, I am trying. So compulsory, these two people are mandatory. 1. These two people are mandatory. Compulsory, these two people are mandatory. Now see what happened. This edge you written like this. Right? This edge you written, see this one. Either you can take this, either you can take this. So two possibilities. Here you cannot take this. Either you can take this, either you can take this. Two possibilities. 2 2s 4. Here 4 MSTs will come. Right? Either you take this, either you take this. 2. Either you take this, either you take this. 2. Totally 4 possibilities. And one more 4. Check properly. Check properly. Check properly. Same thing you can do right side. This is fixed. Here you may take this, you may take this. Two possibilities. You may take this, you may take this. Two possibilities. 4. And one more possibility, if you observe one more possibility, you will take this, you will take like this. So you may take this, you may take this. So 2. One more, one more, one more. You may take this, you may take this. Two possibilities. Totally 4 plus 4, 8, 8 plus 4, I think 12. 12 MST, total 12 MST. If anyone got more, please let me know what is missing from my side. If anyone say more, please let me know what is missing from my side. Please let me know if anyone think. Yeah, I know very well. Abhiraz, they are not easy problem. They are little tough and tricky. You may do small mistake. I may know this. I may know this. I may know this. Answer, I think for this problem 12. If anyone say it is not 12, let me know what is missing. Let me know what is missing. Anyone? Anyone having any doubt? Anything you feel. If you feel something missing, let me know. Answer to this problem is 12. 12 is the answer. Check once if anyone is thinking, sir, something extra, let me know. Consider the following graph. How many MSTs? 2 people are fixed. Remaining 4 more, right? I think totally 3 more edges required. Totally 5 edges. 2 edges are fixed. 3 more edges. Yeah, perfect. Perfect. Let's move to next problem. What is the answer for this? Question number 228. Question number 228. Question number 228. Let's find out what the answer for this. It's a very easy one. Let's see how many people will give answer. Let's see how many people will give answer. It is going to be very easy. Let's try. Ruby is saying that C is the answer. Maybe. Let's see once. Let me try. Fn, Gn, 2 people. Who is bigger? We have to find out. Can you see this one? N square log n, 1 person. N into log n whole power 10 is another person. Who is bigger? Left side n, right side n cancel. This became n log n here. It became log n whole power 10 here. Now log n cancel. Here 9. So this became n left side. This became log n whole power 9 right side. N left side, log n whole power 9 right side. Now who is bigger? N and log n. Definitely n is bigger. If anyone having doubt, please apply log both the side. If you apply log both the side, it is a log n. If you apply log this side, 9 into log n base 2. 9 is a constant you can neglect. But remember this one. Right? See this one. Remember this one. If you apply log here, log n. If you apply here 9 into, it is a log n. Sorry for this, it is not log n. It is a log n. It is log n. It is a log n here. It is a log n here. Log n and log n. So log n is bigger. So remember Fn bigger. It is a bigger, it is smaller. It is the bigger, it is the smaller. Remember comparing Fn, Gn, Fn bigger. So option A saying Gn bigger. It cannot be. Option B saying that Gn is not bigger. Fn may be bigger, right? This indication that big O is failed. So see this one. This indication that Fn is bigger. This indication that Fn bigger, Gn is not bigger. B. Option C, Fn, Gn bigger. No. Option D, Fn, Gn is not bigger. Fn also not bigger. No. So B is the answer for this. Answer is B. To this problem, answer is B. Yeah, in EPT RIC course, each subject, EPT RIC core, each subject, we are going to solve 200 to 300 quality questions. The purpose of this one is, I want to make sure if you solve all these 300 questions, you are going to get 70 marks easily. Just complete the classes, do this EPT RIC course you do. Complete the classes first. Then do this RIC EPT. 70 marks easily you are going to get. Because only necessary questions. There is no extra. Unnecessary things are not there. See, some people are doing for one subject 3000 questions. I don't know what is the purpose. Just to do these 300 questions properly, you are going to get very nice rank. And one more thing is 60% discount also going on. Flat 60% discount going on. Just go to Exam Prep Tool website. Just go to exampreptool.com website and you can find out the EPT RIC course for the GATE CSE also, GATE DA also, combined also. Right now, what is the answer for this? Can anyone try? Can anyone try? What is the answer for this? Question number 229. Question number 229. What is the answer for this? Question number 229. What is the answer for this? So it's going to be very tricky question. It's going to be very tricky question. 10 power n, n power log n, n power root n. Who is bigger? 10 power n, n power log n, n power root n. Who is bigger? Right? Who is bigger? We have to discuss. Right? Now see. Listen everyone. Both the bases are same. Both the bases are same. Compare the powers. If you compare powers, root n bigger, log n is smaller. So E is bigger. E is bigger. Comparing these two people, log n and root n. Log n and root n, log n and root n bigger. Log n is very small. So this person is bigger. This person is bigger. Let's compare these two. Who is bigger? Let's compare. This is going to be n, apply log both aside. Only for these two people I am comparing. N log 10 base 2 or base 10 also you can apply. Log 10 base 10. This is going to be log n log n. It's a log n square. Right? So one is going to be n, one is going to be log n square. N bigger. N bigger. So comparing these two people, E is bigger. Now some people are asking, what about these two people, sir? What about these two? Let's compare. 10n is one person, n power root n is another person. Compare, apply log both the side. It became n, it became root n log n. So n can be written as root n. It is a root n log n. Root n cancel. So one is going to be root n, one is going to be log n. So root n is bigger. Root n is bigger. So overall 10 power n is bigger. So E is the first bigger. E is the second bigger. E is the third bigger. So F1, F3, F2. F1, F3, F2. Sorry for this. F1, let me repeat it once again. F1, F3, he is asking what? Increasing order. He is asking increasing order. Okay, fine. He is asking increasing order. Who is smaller? Among all, who is smaller? This person smaller. Who is the next smaller? This person. Who is the last smaller? This person. Increasing order. Increasing order. So this is the answer for this. So let's start now. Who is the first minimum? F2. Who is the second minimum? F3. Lastly, F1. So D is the answer. Answer D. It is a very tough problem. It is a very tough problem. This problem is very tough. This problem is very tough. Those people who are not getting, I am explaining again. Those people who are not getting, I am explaining again. It is going to be very tricky problem. It is going to be very tricky problem. Let me explain again. Let me explain again. Let me explain again. 10n, 10 power n, n power root n, who is bigger? Apply log both the side. n log 10 base 10 n. Root n log n. This n can be written as root n root n. This is root n log n. Root n cancel. Here root n, here log n. Root n bigger. Next one. Let's compare. N root n, n log n. Who is bigger? N root n bigger. So comparing these two is bigger. Comparing these two is bigger. So finally, if you observe, overall small person is this. Middle person is this. Bigger one is this. So first smaller F2, second smaller F3, last smaller F1. D is the answer for this. Yeah, so the thing is like this. One. So observe properly what is going on. See, if two polynomials fighting, I can talk. What is the meaning of polynomial? What is the meaning of polynomial? What is the meaning of exponential? Polynomial exponential. See this one. Polynomial exponential. This is exponential. This is polynomial. Exponential polynomial. See this one. If n is there, we will say directly. In the place of n, something else. Root n there, log n there. So please be careful. Blindly, see, if you do blindly, you became victim. If you do blindly anything in computer science, you will become victim. If you do blindly anything, you will become victim. Please careful. Are you doing anything blindly? You will become victim. Right? Fine. Don't do anything blindly. Yeah. So it's a problem number 230. In the next class, we will see. It's a problem number 230. Right? Next class we'll see. Right? Fine. Next class we'll see. Today's class we done how many problems? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 problems and 5. 5 problems we done. Yesterday's class approximately 5. Today's class 1 more 5. Right? Total I think 300 questions are there. Total 300 questions are there. So it's going to be really beneficial. So my suggestion to all, if you are really serious about GATE examination, really serious, right? EPT, RIC course, really useful to you. Trust me, it is really useful. EPT, RIC course, really useful to you. Really useful to you. This course is going to be really useful. 60% flat discount is available. You can use it. Flat discount is available. 60%. Use code. If you want code, I am giving code also. You can use this code 595 A capital RJ. You can use this code or whatever code you feel you can use it. Right. So who will teach engineering math? Engineering mathematics teacher will teach. Some other teacher is there. So that person will teach. Right? All you no need to worry. So right, total every subject 300 questions are there. You are going to get lot of benefit. Please take care. Yeah. Thanks everyone. Thank you so much. See you in the next class. Yeah. Bye.